Hi guys, welcome back. So let's continue with the zombie AI. So in last video, we made it to look for random location and move to that point. So this is how it should be as of now. Let's improve this further. So before that, let me adjust this zombie character's position so that the feet touches the ground. Okay, this is better. Okay, so if you see in this video, the zombie moves very fast when moving in idle, but I don't want my zombie to roam this fast, so I have to adjust that. For that, first let's set up in the character movement on max speed. So max walk speed, I will set it to 400, and I want to create a blend space so that my character walks and runs with it. So let's create some more items on the blueprint side. First I need to create an animation blueprint, and as I said, I'm using the ALS mannequin, so I'll be using that skeleton. So this is my skeleton. So this is my anim BP. Okay, we will set up a few things. Before that, let's create a state machine. Let's connect this directly here. Okay, on the state machine we will add an idle state, add state idle, then one more state where it will walk run, which we will handle via a blend space. And create a variable here, speed. So let's set the variable type to float. If speed is greater than 1, greater than 1, then speeds less than 1. And we have to add the animations. For idle, we already have the idle animation, and for walk and run we'll create a blend space. Create an animation blend space 1D. Choose the skeleton whichever you're using. Okay, and this is my blend space. Open the horizontal axis, name it as speed, and set the minimum value to 50 and maximum to 400. Leave the rest of the things in default. So we will add the walking animation here, and zombie run animation. So if you hold shift and see, so this looks good. Okay, so this is fine. Can close this, we don't need that anymore. And in anim bp add the blend space and connect speed here. Okay, so now we have to do a couple of things. First thing is getting the speed value from our zombie character base. Second thing, we have to set this zombie character anim bp on the character mesh. So here use zombie anim bp. So once you do this on your viewport, it should get to idle animation. Then on the anim blueprint, come to the event graph. So we have to create two events here. One is initialize animation, initialize event blueprint, initialize animation, get pawn owner, and if it is valid, we will cast to zombie character. Then promote this to variable. And on update animation, we have to get the speed. So from the pawn owner, get velocity, vector vector length xy, and set it to speed. So this should be fine. Now let's see how it looks. Okay, so the character is running to the target point. So let's stop here and we will continue further in the next video.